What's up, investors? My name is Artem Dikerf, and in a couple of minutes you'll know how to buy Cardano's ADA in Canada. And if you're completely new to cryptocurrencies or you are scared because you do not know how to deal with them, don't worry, I've been just like you. Buying Cardano's ADA is extremely simple and the whole process takes literally a couple of minutes. And if you want to continue receiving such short tutorials, feel free to subscribe my channel and like this video because this does help a lot. Thank you so much. Alright, so the whole process can be divided into three parts. First, you will need to create a wallet where you will store your Cardano's ADA and then locate your wallet's address. Second, you will need to buy Cardano's ADA from one of the crypto exchanges. And third, you will need to transfer your Cardano's ADA from an exchange into your wallet. Wallets can be either cold storages or hot storages. A cold storage is this USB type of looking piece of hardware, while hot storage is a software on your computer or an app on your phone. Cold storages give you maximum security, but they cost money, while hot storages are still very safe, convenient, and they are free. And if you're just buying a small amount of Cardano's ADA, a hot storage is more than enough, and the one that I'm using personally is called Exodus. In order to find your Cardano's wallet address, simply tap on ADA and then on this arrow on your right. This step is extremely important because different cryptocurrencies have different wallet addresses, and if you send your Cardano's ADA into, let's say so, Bitcoin wallet, your Cardano will be most likely gone forever. And here you go, this QR code and long string of numbers and letters is your Cardano's wallet address. The next step is to buy Cardano's ADA, and for doing so go to one of the crypto exchanges such as Coinbase or Binance. But they are not so flexible for Canadians because the majority of them only allows to buy Cardano using a debit card, which comes with an extra fee. But unfortunately, as of today, there are no good alternatives for Canadians. So let's use Coinbase in our example. Simply tap on this blue circle at the bottom, select buy, select Cardano, and input how much money you want to spend to buy it. Like mentioned previously, you can only buy it using credit or debit card, and it comes with extra 3.99% fee. And that's basically it. You have just bought your Cardano's ADA, which can be stored right here on this exchange, or you can withdraw it into your wallet for extra protection. And some storages, such as for example Exodus, allow you to stake your Cardano, which will generate additional interest. And in order to withdraw crypto from an exchange into your wallet, you will need your wallet address that we found previously. Simply copy this long string of numbers and letters, go back to Coinbase, tap on this blue circle at the bottom and select send. Then you will just need to switch from Bitcoin wallet into Cardano wallet, switch from your currency into Cardano's ADA, select how many Cardano's tokens you want to withdraw and press continue. It will then ask for your wallet address where you simply paste it. And ADA must arrive in your wallet shortly. This was a very basic yet sufficient instruction on how to buy Cardano's ADA in Canada. And if you want to know more details about how to send, receive, store and even cash out any cryptocurrency, feel free to watch my other video. Thank you so much, comrades.